So now, of course, I can just hear a lot of the personal development, within yourself. And not to say that you needed to work on yourself in any way, but this is something that you obviously do, on a regular basis. What would you say would be the top three personal development books or self-help books that you would recommend?
Man, self help. In this day and age, I need to recommend like podcasts. I need to recommend like it's so much.
Absolutely.
I think that sometimes doubt, fear, all
Yeah.
those things will take over anybody because it's like, oh, if I'm playing at a higher level, sometimes you have, gosh, what is it called? I can't think of the term. What is it
Like
called,
a
man?
self-doubt, you mean?
Yeah. So they have the self doubt,
Yeah.
but it's it's some term in which doesn't come to me right now, and I'm fine with it. You don't have to cut this. Let it run. Let them see that it's natural. But what happens is that their lack of belief, like, oh, I'm at this
Yeah.
level. How do I get further? Or maybe I shouldn't be here. They're just
Yeah.
doubting themselves. But you have to feed your faith, and you have to put on the full armor of
Mm,
Christ to be able to say, like, I'm good. Like the weapon may form, but it shall not prosper. Like all these things. What I'm doing is I'm feeding my faith and letting myself know, like, you got this. No matter what happens, I'm gonna be good. So I do that through books. I do that through affirmations. I think affirming your day is super, super important. I
yeah.
don't let the day happen to me. I tell the day what I wanted to do.
That's right. That's right.
So, so yeah.
Okay.
So just having and knowing what to say because oftentimes people don't have they lack the right thing to be able to speak something. Like, oh, I don't know how to affirm. I don't know how to do this. So training yourself so that you can get yourself out of a rut or you can help someone else get out of theirs. But back to the question, the three books that I enjoy, I think that
Yeah.
The Four Agreements, that's a great book.
Mm,
And it's super short. So I think that the Four Agreements helps you not take anything personal. So I mean, it's an audio book, it's a YouTube, it's so many different variations. So the Four
wow.
Agreements. One that I'm extremely enjoying right now is The Mountain Is You.
Mm. The mountain is you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Wow.
everyone's trying to move a mountain, but really it's you, like you in your own way.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
I like that. Man.
that's a good one. And then I like, if we want to just keep it simple, I think stick to the basics. DJ Khaled, The Keys, right? And
Yeah.
it's very, very simple. I don't feel like we have to overcomplicate it or have to have all the $1 million words, but just
Yeah.
keep it basic. And if we keep it simple, that's the key right there.
Wow. That's right. Was that the book? Was that the name of the
The
book?
book is called The Keys by DJ Khaled.
Wow. I didn't even know. Isn't that something? I didn't know he wrote a book. Wow. Isn't that something? I once heard someone say, once you hear someone give, a great book, you most definitely want to run out there and go get it, guys. So you most definitely
Absolutely.
want to, these are the books that Jasper says, hey, you most definitely want to consider reading. So I'm already interested, especially the one that said the mountain is you. Man, that the title's got me already.